free sites that you can make money online immediately. I tell you from the beginning that with these sites you will not become rich, but for people who are beginners in this field it is quite good, because they can make their first money online. My name is Anonymous PTW, and this is the first site. This site pays instantly $1 for every survey you take. The site pays very well and has been for a long time, and plus it has good reviews, so you can trust it. Here on the right side you can sign up. It's very simple. After that you can complete some surveys and get your money immediately. The name of this site is SURVEYTIME. Site number 2. This site pays you to test different apps and games. You can go here to earn. Here are different offers that you can choose and fulfill, such as downloading a game or app, playing a game and more. The name of this site is Free Cash. I repeat, this will not make you rich. But if you are not a beginner and you have some experience in this field and you want to make up to $100 every day, you can look on my YouTube page where in each video I show different slightly more advanced but also free methods where you can make dollars. The following site pays you immediately when you complete surveys or offers. The site pays you 20 cents for each survey completed. Each survey can take you at least 5 minutes, and this is not good. But I repeat, if you are a beginner, you will certainly enjoy this. We all started small, right? The name of this site is SURVEYMAGIC. Site number 3 is Audible. This site is more special than the rest that I have shown you because there is an affiliate program and it is also the Amazon company. This site pays $5 when someone accesses your affiliate link, registers on this site, and downloads an audiobook that is absolutely free. Yes, there is more work, but also more money. But luckily for you, in the previous video on this channel I showed step by step what you have to do and how to make money with Audible. You can find that video up here in the corner. The next site that pays us immediately is this one, which gives us gift cards for completing surveys, watching videos, online shopping, and web searches. If you don't know what a gift card is, I'll explain it to you quickly. Gift cards are tickets or vouchers issued by a certain site or person, which can be purchased and given as a gift. These cards contain an amount of money and can be used to buy products or services on that site. Gift cards are a popular gift option because they allow the recipient to choose what to buy based on their preferences and needs. That's why this site is called INSTAGC. Because what does instant gift cards mean? We can observe here below that this site has distributed more than 1 million gift cards, and it is for a very long time, since 2011, so you can trust. To start, we need to create an account on this site, and from start we get 10 points. The name of this site is Instant GC. Site number 6 is an interesting one, but first let me tell you why this site is interesting. Subscribe to this channel because you guarantee that little by little it will be more interesting, and more wonderful ways to make money online. Let's move on. This site is interesting because that site pays you immediately by listening to music, better to review different songs, so you will be paid $14 per song. How does this work? Music artists will come to this site and submit their music for promotion. You will listen to the music and then review the song, and through this you will give them your opinion about the press. And so you will receive $14 per song, and then you will withdraw that money instantly and quickly. To start this you have to click on Apply Now, and you will enter some details of yours. This site is called Sound Campaign. Site number 7 that pays us instantly is this. Site number 7 is a bit like the third site, because there to get paid we have to complete surveys and offers again. For this the site will give you points that we will be able to turn into real money, in gift cards or in crypto coins. This site also shows us their statistics where it tells us there are 150,192 users, 269,899 completed surveys, and 197,529,465 points that were given. The name of this site is LAB. Friend, now you just have to try them. And I have an idea how to do this. I will leave the link to all the sites I showed you on my Twitter channel. You enter my account and try one by one. You enter the first site. You see how it is, and if you like it, you do what you need to do. After with the second site the same, and so with everything. Don't be lazy and try. You can find my Twitter channel in the description of this video. Yes, you won't make a lot of money, but as for receiving money online, I think it's wonderful. But if you are more advanced in this field, watch this video that appeared here in the corner where you can get more dollars. With you was Anonymous PTW, and see you next Sunday.